So we're looking for angles in standard position. So a reminder, what does that definition mean? That means we're always starting from here, the positive x-axis. And anytime we go around this direction, we've got a positive angle. Anytime we go around in that direction, we have a negative angle. So we're looking for all the angles in standard position between negative 800 degrees and 800 degrees that are coterminal with an angle of 85. So remember from yesterday that anytime an angle is coterminal, we can just add 360 and you'd get to the same place where you ended up. So imagine 85 degrees. So if we have 85 degrees and we want to list all the angles that end in the same place with 85. So we'll start with 85 degrees. Can you see if you add 360 to that, you would get 445 degrees. If you added 360 again, you get 805, but since that's passed, I'll put an X through it. Because we just need to have all the ones up to 800 degrees. But we also have to go in the negative direction. If you took 85 and you subtracted 360, what would you get? Negative 255. If you subtracted 360 again, and if you subtracted 360 again, that would be too much, right? So what we've done is we've listed 85, 445, negative 255, and negative 515 degrees. And if we wanted to show those, well, 445 would go all the way around once and then end in the same spot. If we wanted to show negative 255, that would start again at the positive x-axis and then go until it ended at the same place. And if we wanted to show, ooh, it's getting busy on here, negative 515, it would look like that. So I didn't draw them really nicely all together there. But the more times you go around, the bigger the angle gets. Now in part B, we just did the ones between negative 800 and 800. If we had to write an expression for all of the angles coterminal with 85, and this is what we did a little bit the other day as well, we'd start with 85 degrees, then you can add 360 degrees times k as long as k is an integer. And if k is any integer, that means you can add or subtract, because k could be a negative number, 360 as many times as you want. And that would list all the angles that are coterminal with 85. Yes?
So we'll have to go through the negative 800 to the positive 800, or we have to add some restrictions?
Well, for A, they just asked for negative 800 to 800, so that's why we got only these four in A. And then in B, it said to list them all. Not the ones that we haven't done already. For the other ones, just list them all. Okay, questions 4 and 5 you can do for practice.